Good evening, sir. I am Angelo de Replonia, Section J1N, and this is my explanation about the function of echo sounder. So, this is the echo sounder, also known as depth sounder or sonar. Echo sounder is instrument or equipment that found in the ships that can be used to detect the depth of the water. And these are the function of echo sounder. First is power. It used to switch on and switch off the echo sounder. Second is range. It used to adjust the depth displayed. Mark. It used to mark depth significance. Gain. It controls the application of the receiver. Alarm. So you can adjust the alarm that the depth of the water goes below or certain depth. Then the alarm will surging. And the last one is time varied gain, also known as TBG. TBG is used to compensate for the loss of signal strength as the sound waves travel through the water column and encounter different depth.